So, crystallization is used to separate a dissolved solid from a solution. As you can see right over here, this is the beaker. It contains the solvent and the solution, and this is the Bunsen burner. So, what we're going to do is we're going to heat the solution, allowing the solvent to evaporate to leave behind a saturated solution. So, what we can do is we can check if the solution is saturated by dipping a clean, dry glass rod. Now, if it is saturated, then the crystals will form on the glass rod. So, what we'll do is we'll leave the saturated solution behind and we'll allow it to cool down. Now, as the solubility decreases, crystals will form. So, afterwards, the crystals are collected and they are washed with distilled water to remove any impurities, and then they are dried down.